Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about iPhone activation lock. Firstly, you can unlock it with the device passcode. When the iPhone lock to owner screen appears after a factory reset, you can see an option under the input box. Tap Unlock with passcode on the activation screen. Then choose Use device passcode. Alright, enter your previous screen passcode. Soon, you can continue to set up the iPhone. When you do not see the Unlock with passcode option, how can you do to bypass the activation lock? One commonly used method is a tool called iBypass Genius. It's designed for situations where you are locked out on the activation lock screen and cannot unlock it with device passcode. Just download and install it on your computer. Open the software, then follow the steps inside the software to start the bypass process. iBypass Genius will guide you through putting your device into DFU mode and then attempting to remove the activation lock, so that you can regain access to your device. After it finishes, the iPhone usually restarts and you can access the system again. Keep in mind that you may be unable to connect to the network after the device restarts for the first time. In that situation, you can reset the network settings to restore connectivity. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.